Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix fail to connect to server error in Hytale. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. This issue can be mainly because of the firewall protection on your Windows PC. So, the easiest way to fix that is to allow Hytale to be integrated to the firewall and cross through it easily. The easiest way to do that is to go to your search button right here on the Windows Home. Then from here you're going to search for Windows Firewall. And as you can see, Windows Defender Firewall is the first one. Click on it. Once you have that right here, you can see a small option that says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that. And then from here you will be shown to this place. And all you have to do is to search for Hytale. You can either scroll down or you can press the letter H on your keyboard. And then once you go here, it will show you all the commands in the letter H. And then from here, as you can see, Hytale client, you can allow apps to communicate. So if this was unchecked or checked, then you can just check it again and make sure that it's fully gone. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.